Hi there, everybody. This is lesson 1.3.2. You will need your resource page, your resource packet out. So if you don't have that, go ahead and pause the video and get that out so that we can do a little work on there. Okay, we're going to concentrate on one of these shapes in the shape toolkit in this video today, and that shape is the square. So I'm going to zoom in here a little bit on the square. Whoa, that's way too much. Sorry about that. That'll be sufficient. Okay, that'll be good. So if I asked you to describe a square, what would you say? Well, you might say it is a four-sided figure with four right angles and four equal sides. That's how you would describe it in words. However, in math, we've come up with a shorter way to write this stuff. For example, if we have a shape that has some sides that are equal, whether it's all of them or only some of them, we use little hash marks on these sides, and that's just an easy way to show in a diagram that those sides are equal in length. Rather than writing out the words four equal sides, we can just show it in the diagram with those hash marks. And anytime you see those marks, you know that those sides are the same length. Now, sometimes you have shapes, like in this rectangle, where all four sides are not the same length. These two sides are the same length, and these two sides are the same length, but they're not all four the same. So notice they've used two hash marks up here and down here for those two, because those are the same, and one hash mark over here. So that just means that all the one hash mark sides are the same length, and all the two hash mark sides are the same length, but they're not necessarily all the same. Well, we also have four right angles here, and writing that out is kind of a pain as well. So we do have a little symbol that we use for that, and that looks like a little box. And those boxes just mean that all of those angles are 90 degrees. Now, what else do we know about a square? Well, you might say that some of these sides are parallel. Some of these sides are going the same direction. And in a diagram, we indicate that with some little arrows, kind of similar to the ones you see over here on the rectangle. Now, are all four of those sides parallel? Absolutely not. These two are not parallel because they cross right there. Parallel lines never ever cross, even if you extend them. So I'm not going to put one arrow on this side. However, these two sides are parallel. So these two sides are parallel to each other, but not to those. I can't put one arrow on these two sides. I've got to put indicated a different way, and we do that using two arrows. That just means that those two sides are parallel. And that is everything we know about a square in words and in our diagram here. And that is about it for this video. We'll do some more of this in class with these other shapes. I hope you're having a good afternoon or evening. We'll see you soon. Bye.